everyone, welcome back to the Mariano and Raven Show again. I know it's been a long time since we played games, but today we're gonna play a couple games. And yeah, this game is called Destroy the Building, the Hotel. I'm lagging a lot. Oh, I'm stuck. It's beautiful! Yeah, we're gonna play this first, then we'll play something else after. And that sounds fun. Boom! I can't wait to play my own game by myself. By my own self. It's probably gonna take me forever. Blow it up. Blow it up. Blow up the elevators. Blow up everything. Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna blow up this building. I'm gonna blow up this building for a minute, for half a minute. Okay, but I blew up the building more. This building is destroyed. Boom. You can't even get inside. Everything's just crumbled. And then when you can, there's not a lot of areas you can't get it. You can get into. So all of them are mostly blocked off. No. Where's the elevator? Oh, I found them. I found the room. I found the elevators. I found the elevators. It's literally just destroyed down here. Well, it's time to blow everything up. Oh, boom. You know what? You know what? You better like and subscribe and hit that bell. Okay, let's go. Oh no. Oh no. Reset. Look at this rubble. All I can see is rubble. There's literally rubble everywhere. There's literally, you can't even get inside. You can't even get inside. I'm inside. The elevator. We need to open the elevator. I'm stuck. There's nowhere to go right now. There's like nowhere to go. There's nowhere. I'm literally stuck. Get in the elevator. Bye bye. I'm leaving. This thing is breaking. It's so heavy. It can't even move. It's stuck. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in the elevator. No. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck in the elevator. Oh, I made it out. No, let me in. Wait, where am I? Where am I? Where am I? I'm outside the elevator. I can't even move. Now I'm stuck again. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Oh my god. There's literally explosions everywhere. This building's gonna be gone. There's literally just rubble everywhere. There's literally just rubble everywhere. There's everywhere. I'm in the elevator. Let's go to number 5. I'm scared. Everything's flying in the air. I'm just not gonna concentrate on what's happening right now. I'm just gonna walk. Oh, I can't even move. Let's go. What? I just got flung. Okay. If I don't make, I want to make it to the elevator. All these, there's like walls everywhere. There's walls everywhere. We can't even play the game. Open the door. The door is even stuck. The door can't even open at all because of that. None of these doors are gonna open. Oh, I think I turned it up too loud. Ow, my ears. Turn that down all the way. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. The elevators are... You just blew up the elevators. Okay, next game. Hello, I'm back. And welcome to Doors. Yes, you heard it. Doors. Welcome to Roblox Doors. Welcome back to Doors. We're coming back to Doors. I know the last video we did was terrible. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Found an elevator. Oh, never mind. I did not find an elevator. Let's go to... Let's make 12. Yes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. 12. Let's bring the entire gang of Doors people. Yeah, let's. Yes, I died. Let's find the lobby. No. Okay, let's go. Hopefully soon, I can actually make a group inside of Minecraft. Not Minecraft and Roblox, maybe. Maybe that too. I'm your puppet. Better. I just opened the door. Bye-bye. You already did it. I already did it. Sorry. Sorry, Alec. What's it called? You're from you're from Glitch Productions, right? I think he's from Glitch Productions. I don't know. I think he is. Oh. That scared me. I'm speedrunning. I'm speedrunning. I'm speedrunning doors. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're speedrunning doors. I don't care about the money. Oh, store. Can I get this guard? Is he an eyeball? Now let me just turn up the audio. I can't hear anything. No! No! I died to rush. I died to rush. I died to rush. Did all of us die? Or was it just me? I was the only one who just died there? Wow! I know I completed like a bunch of things, but I might have to do it by myself, but yeah. But I think it's time to go to the next game. I know this was short, but the next game. Welcome to natural disasters inside. Welcome to natural disasters in Roblox, the old one. This is the old one. This is the original natural disasters. I miss playing this. I like the new one though. What'd they say? Really? It's okay. It's okay. I'm Joy. What is that? What is this? What's in there? What's in the box? What's in the box? It's a... Oh my... Dun, 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 never mind. Okay, let's go. I don't want another copyright. like the other video, which got a copyright, and I had to get rid of it. I didn't want to get a copyright. I know I get a copyright, but I didn't want to strike. I don't want my video to go down. I don't want my channel to go down. So I'm get rid of that video, and I keep my channel. Okay. That works enough. Okay. Oh yeah. Best day ever. He's in VR. VR man. Look, it's VR. He's in VR. He's in VR. He's in VR. I think he's is he a YouTuber? I'm gonna add him. Everyone died. Almost everyone died. Oh, lots of people died. The entire building. Did everyone die? Did anyone even survive that? Did anyone? My puppet. I don't see the building. I died. I jumped off the cliff. There'll be one more round and then we'll end the video right here. Half of the server died. I died on that one. So did I. Hi. I'm very. Never mind. Too much. Okay, let's go. Raymond will be back in 2 days. Yep, that's what I said. Raymond will be back in 2 entire days. You're my puppet. Boop, 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 get on top. Jump. He fell. Oh, he died. VR man. Yay, VR man. VR guy. Look at him. Moonwalking. Look at his arm. Oh, VR man. VR man. He fell. Ding! He's right there. He's like, you can see him. Look right. He's right here. I know let's get rid of it. He's right here. No. Right there. Right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's only right there. I'm gonna get rid of this thing. There we go. He's right there. And after this round, we're gonna end the video, and then there'll be fun. VR man! Yay! VR man! VR guy. VR man. I love VR man. I love VR man. I love Mr. VR man. Mr. Man, which Mr. Wait, let's see what this thing looks like. That's his normal profile. And you look at him, you can see how he walks. What are you supposed to be? Oh yeah, that will be it for this video. Don't question what's questioning behind me. And that will be it for this video today. And remember, have fun at Disney World. Bye.